If we want to be like particular about it, it's 103. It's what the heat index has made it to be. That's what matters. I do not care. What's this? It's a little lifted hard body. It looks good. I like that goofy little fan he's got in there. Where have I been? You may or may not have been wondering. More likely may not have. I've been mentally ill and sad and not uploading. There we are. Let's just keep on keeping on. Away! The fuck was that? I cannot be the only person that heard that, right? Fuck me, man, it's hot. Cool. We tried it out. Good stuff. That was a little high strung. Didn't like it, but we're good. We're fine. We're alive still. That's what matters. Oh, look at that. They do karate. The whole kung fu thing is actually working out really well for me. Because, like, I've got a shitload of martial arts experience that's from a little bit of everywhere. Like, I've been constantly studying Kenjutsu since I was 9 years old, right? And like, you know, that's good. What the fuck am I gonna do with it, right? It's not like I'm carrying around a fucking sword. I mean, it's legal to do that here, but it's conspicuous. I don't like that. I've done a little bit of Defendu and Hagana. I've done a little bit of karate. I've done some like MMA, Muay Thai, BJJ, like a fine slurry of that. A little bit of Hapkido. And I've also got American cane boxing. So counting Bai Mei, that's like fucking 7 martial arts. And I fucking love Bai Mei. I'm having to unlearn a lot of bad habits I learned from other places though. It's not like the hardest thing in the world, but learning a totally different method of delivering power through strikes has been challenging, to put it gently. Alright. Because fudging is a neat principle that once you get the hang of it, it makes you feel so fucking cool because you can do like party tricks like punching out candles and stuff. It's neat. I like it. I'm still not like, I've only been doing this for like a month, so I'm not gonna like suck my own dick or anything, right? But like, you know, it's fun. I like it. I even got shoes for it. I'm wearing them right now. I found out that I really like the shoes for it. They're good everyday shoes. They're like minimalist. I'm just keeping a safe follow distance. I did have some, like, speaking of which, I did have somebody tailgate me off the exit ramp this morning, and I gave them the thumbs down, and they like looked at me like I was the asshole, and so I was like, don't fucking tailgate bikes. Like, I've even got it on camera. Don't tailgate bikes, man. It's dangerous. Dude didn't say anything because I guess he knew he was the asshole there. And you know, it's always good when people know that they're in the wrong and don't try to make it a big thing. I fucking hate that. Whew, that would be nice. But I've always kind of wanted a Jeep. But I hear they break down a lot, and that's not something I can fucking deal with, honestly. That sounds very, to put it in the most polite terms, it's annoying. I do really super duper want like a sidekick or a geo tracker or something to that of that nature. That would be cool. Appreciate you. You made it so easy to get in front of you. It's pretty stellar. But yeah, like, I don't know. I've felt like a big, like ever since I've dedicated to this, like all the Qigong and like Tai Chi elements of it and like the Kung Fu itself, I've had a huge confidence boost, and I've been able to roll with the punches, like literally and figuratively a lot better. I don't know why I didn't seek this out sooner. I guess it was just the assumption that I couldn't afford it, and that like the place I'm going, Google says is closed. So I guess the best option is really just to fucking call the number, right? Been like dabbling with Buddhist thought too. Pretty chill stuff. Oh, I had a fundamental misunderstanding of it, come to find out, which, you know, you never know if you don't look. It's hot in Topeka. I'm a hot toe picker. Any of y'all ever see Foster's Home? Am I just old? Is that something that is that like before your time? I don't know the age of my audience. I don't look at analytics. I don't care. All I know is that most of you are men. And like, I get it. I'm not hot like slick though. I wish I was. I'd like to have cleavage on Maine too, but I'm not hot like that. I'm hot like I'm hot like me, and that's cool, right? Like, I'm hot like me. I got my own vibe, and I've learned how to work with it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.